Okay, so good morning, students. Now, after the isotonic, hypotonic, and hypertonic solution, we discuss the laws of osmotic pressures. Okay, now in class 11, we discuss in the states of matter, Boyle's law, Charles' law, Gay-Lussac law, Avogadro's law, and after that we discuss their ideal gas equations. And you know the ideal gas equation, that is the PV is equal to nRT. Understood? So this equation is also helpful for the determination of osmotic pressure. So now first one is the Van Top Boyle's law for dilute solution, because already in the previous period we say that this colligative property only is applicable for the dilute solution. Okay, so what is the statement of this Van Top Boyle's law? It's stated as it's stated as at constant temperature the osmotic pressure of solution is directly proportional to the concentration of dilute solution. Now, mathematically it is represented as phi is the osmotic pressure. Phi is directly proportional to C. Phi is directly proportional to C, or C is equal to N upon V. Concentration को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? Number of moles upon volume. Understood? So क्या होगा? Here is also we have to write C is equal to 1 by V. अगर हम n की वैल्यू 1 कंसिडर करें तो pi is inversely proportional to volume. तो क्या होगा? Pi V is equal to constant PV or pi V. Pi भी चलेगा, or is also say that P also indicate pressure. Pi is also indicate pressure. Understood? So pi V is equal to constant. It is the equation number 1. Equation number 1 is for the Boyle's law. Now after that, Van Top Charles law. Second one is here Van of Charles law for dilute solution. Can anyone tell me the statement of the Charles law? Understood? So here it is, they at given concentration of solution, okay, at constant volume, listen, it's stated as at constant volume and at given concentration of a solution osmotic pressure of a solution having osmotic pressure is directly proportional to directly proportional to temperature, directly proportional to temperature. So here it again mathematically क्या होगा, pi is the osmotic pressure is directly proportional to temperature. Pi is directly proportional to temperature. Here for given temperature, for given concentration, for given the concentration and volume. Now so after that it will be pi is equal to constant into t. Pi is equal to constant into t. So what is happening? Pi upon t is equal to constant. Pi upon t is equal to constant. It is equation number 2. देखिए PV is equal to constant for Boyle's law. Pi upon t is equal to constant for the Charles law. Okay, so please note down this. Again I repeat, 2 मिनट में मैं repeat करता हूँ. Boyle's law it say that, okay, at the constant temperature the osmotic pressure of solution is directly proportional to concentration of dilute solution. Now here the concentration is equal to 1 upon V. Concentration is equal to 1 upon V. मतलब it say that कि concentration inversely proportional to volume simply. तो जब pi is directly proportional to C, so inversely proportional to क्या होगा, V. So by mathematically ये V इधर आ जाएगा तो pi V is equal to constant. Understood? So then same thing for Van 't Charles law. At constant volume and given concentration of solution, the osmotic pressure is directly proportional to temperature of solution. Temperature of solution. So pi is directly proportional to T and therefore pi is equal to constant into T. So pi upon T is equal to constants. Understood? Now after that the Van 't equation for the Van 't equations for dilute solution. So according to Boyle's law, PV is equal to constant. It's equation 1. Okay, and according to Charles law, pi upon T is equal to constant. It's equation number 2. Okay, now then the combining Boyle's law and Charles law by combining Boyle's and Charles law we get क्या मिलेगा अभी हमें, we get here this pi is T upon V. देखिए डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू टेम्परेचर एंड इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वॉल्यूम. समझ में आ रहा है पॉइंट? आज पर इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2. बॉयल्स लॉ क्या बोल रहा था आपका कि पाई इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वॉल्यूम और चार्ल्स लॉ बोल रहा था पाई डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू टेम्परेचर. सो बाय यूजिंग दिस टू इक्वेशंस you are getting this term pi is directly proportional to temperature, inversely proportional to volume. That is say that pi v is equal to क्या होगा, pi v is equal to constant. ये constant किस चीज का, this is proportionality constant into temperature. Pi v is equal to constant into temperature, and therefore it say that pi V is equal to RT, where pi is osmotic pressure, then V volume of solution, R universal gas constant, and T is absolute temperature, and therefore here for 1 मोल, अभी हम ये नंबर ऑफ मोल्स के लिए भी होगा, सो दैट इज for number of moles, that is small n, so pi V is equal to nRT, and pi is equal to nRT upon V, or it is pi is equal to CRT, because n upon V say that C, n upon V का मतलब क्या होता है, n upon V is equal to concentrations, or 1 upon V is equal to concentration. So therefore pi is equal to nRT upon V, pi is equal to CRT, or PV is equal to nRT. So these equations are, this is the Van 't Hoff equation for dilute solution. Van 't Hoff equation for dilute solution. Any issue there? So this is a very simple phenomenon. So again I repeat, पहले आपको बॉयल्स लॉ पता होना चाहिए. अकॉर्डिंग टू बॉयल्स लॉ ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू वॉल्यूम. अकॉर्डिंग टू चार्ल्स लॉ ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू टेम्परेचर. And then by combining the both, that is Boyle's law and Charles law, you are getting pi is directly proportional to T, inversely proportional to V. Then this is a proportionality constant, so PV is equal to constant into T. P और pi same है, don't misunderstand here. P और pi both are same. P also indicating pressure, pi is also indicating pressure. But ये जो यहाँ चल रहा है चीजें, ये osmotic pressure की बात चल रही है. This is for osmotic pressure. And remember, osmotic pressure होता क्या है? Osmotic pressure means those pressure is applied on the process of osmosis to stop the osmosis process. Okay? So PV is equal to constant into T, and यहाँ पे constant के लिए जो terminology यूज की वो है R. So R is a universal gas constant. So PV is equal to nRT, and after that here the PV is nRT, so pi is equal to nRT upon V, because n upon V is equal to C, so it is a CRT. Understood it is? Then the next is here determination of molecular weight. So here it is the formulas are, यहाँ पे जो ये formulas है, formulas for osmotic pressure, formulas for osmotic pressure, pi is equal to CRT, PV is equal to nRT, P is equal to nRT upon V, and here pi V or PV is equal to RT, So अभी यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए, suppose it is now the determination of, मैं दोबारा लिखता हूँ ये, this is a very simple concept. determination of molecular weight of solute from osmotic pressure. So you know very well PV is equal to nRT. It's a simple equation is there. Now N is number of moles of solute. So N is equal to weight of solute upon molecular weight of solute. Weight of solute upon molecular weight of solute. So N is equal to WA upon MA. Here ये is a solute. ये क्या है? Solute है. तो वेट के लिए W, molecular weight के लिए M. So N is equal to WA upon MA. So then substitute the value of N in above equation. We get what we get? PV is equal to WA into RT upon MA. Correct? Upon MA. So अभी क्या होगा? MA is equal to, अभी आपको MA फाइंड आउट करना है, मोलिकुलर वेट इज इक्वल टू WA into R into T upon WA into R into T upon PV. So this equation is applicable to determine the molecular weight of solute. Now where WA is the weight of solute, MA is molecular weight of solute, R universal गैस कांस्टेंट, इसकी वैल्यू आपको पता ही है 8.314 जूल पर केल्विन पर मोल. This is the fixed value as like just Avogadro number. Then T absolute temperature, P pressure, V वॉल्यूम. ये P को हम ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर लिखेंगे, ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर, एंड V volume of solution. So these are the briefing of these each and every term. So you have to use this formula to determine the molecular weight of solute from the osmotic pressures. Understood? This is very simple. Any difficulty will be there? So understood it is. So you know this equation already. PV is equal to nRT is a very famous. It's an ideal gas equation. So PV is equal to nRT. और आपको N की वैल्यू पता ही है. N is the number of moles and number of mole means weight of solute upon molecular weight of solute. So WA upon MA, and put up this WA upon MA in this PV is equal to nRT equation. So you are getting MA easily. Okay. So this is a determination of molecular weight of solute from osmotic pressures. Okay. Note down this.